Hello kids, hope all of you are good. Today your mother teacher topic is Indian foreign policy. In recent decades, India has pursued a more expansive foreign policy encompasses the neighborhood. The first policy embodies by the SAARC as well as look East policy to forge more extensive economic and strategic relationship with other East Indian countries. The means of foreign policy, the policy adopted by nation while dealing with other nation is called foreign policy. With Indian government setting and the ambitious target of creating a $5 trillion economy, the foreign policy is being directed by harshness and network of partner with all friendly countries to create new Indian by 2022. The main feature of Indian foreign policy, mutual respect for each other, territorial and the integrity and sovereignty, and non-aggression against each other, non-interference in each other internal affair. Aim of the foreign policy immediately after independence. Foreign policy goal: preserving the national security of the United States, promoting world peace and security, global environment, maintaining a balance of power among the nations, working with the allies to solve the international problem. Elements of foreign policy. Number 1, size of state territory. Number 2, geographical factors. Number 3, level and nature of economic development. Number 4, cultural and historical factors. Number 5, social structure. Number 6, government structure. Number 7, international situation. Number 8, values, talent, experience and personalities of leaders. Articles deal with the foreign policy of India. Article S1 of Indian Constitution is imperative part of understanding India's foreign policy. The directive principle of state policy has the provision that deal with the basic principle of Indian foreign policy and direct the state to do so. What is the main features of foreign policy? Please write in a comment section. Hope you all kids are able to learn and recognize about the foreign policy of India. If you like my video, please like it, share it and subscribe my channel and also press bell icon. Thank you for watching and thank you for support.